Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to create a dashboard in Retool, fast and easy. You actually have two different ways to do this. The first method is the manual approach. Go to the Create tab and click on App. This lets you build everything from scratch by dragging and dropping components, arranging layouts, and customizing your dashboard exactly the way you want. It gives you full control, but it can take quite a bit of time. Now, if you want something much quicker, there's a far easier method. Click the bottom icon on the left. This opens the Create with AI panel. Here, you can describe the dashboard you want using a simple prompt. If you don't want to type your own, just click the sample prompt. Retool will automatically start generating your dashboard for you. Once it's done, your dashboard appears instantly. No long setup, no manual layout work. And that's it. That's how you create a dashboard in Retool using either the manual builder or the AI generator. If this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.